I don't know why she soothes my soul. It felt familiar when she walked in, like she stepped into a place I've been. Now I know why she feels like